friends, today I want to share with you the most nutritionally dense food on planet Earth. It can literally heal your body in as little as 1 month. 1 tablespoon to 30 pounds of fruits and vegetables. My name is Oksana. A little bit of my favorite blend spice. Please welcome Spirulina. The depth of this color. That's very cool. Spirulina is a type of green-blue algae that grows in both salty and fresh water. 1 tablespoon of spirulina is equivalent to 30 pounds of fruits and vegetables. Spirulina gained its glory during 1970s when NASA studied it for astronauts. It was found to be one of the most potent concentrated products available to mankind. Spirulina's rich green-blue color is attributed to its active component, phycocyanin. It was found to be a super powerful antioxidant, helps to fight inflammation throughout the whole body, and support cells against oxidative stress. Here are the top 3 things that make spirulina special. Number 1. It is a one-stop shop for all your body needs. It contains 99% of what our cells need not to simply survive, but to thrive. All essential proteins, minerals, vitamins. Number 2, it contains the entire panel of vitamin Bs, except B12. To be exact, B12 is present, but not in a form that our body can use. However, the rest of B panel is present in abundance. Number 3, spirulina contains all essential amino acids. Amino acids are the building blocks of any given protein molecule. Human body contains 22 amino acids. Out of them, 8 are considered to be essential. If you would like me to make a separate video on vitamin Bs and what they do to our body, leave a comment below this video. Out of 8 essential amino acids, 1 calls for particular attention. Its name is methionine. It is widely known that products like meat, dairy, seafood, eggs are the record keepers in methionine content. However, what nobody talks about is that spirulina contains much more methionine than any of these products. We don't really need protein in our diets because a protein molecule is way too big for our little cell to be able to digest it. Before any protein molecule can be utilized by our body, it is broken down into tinier pieces, amino acids. Now the cell takes these amino acids and makes whatever protein it desires at a time. So what we really need is amino acids. Spirulina is a powerful alkalizing food. Remember this, a disease is always about acidic body. Healing is always about an alkaline body. Excuse me, this is mine. Do you want one? Okay, I'll make you one. Healing is not only possible, but it's easy. Here, I made it for you. Cheers. By the way, I have a video on how to choose the best spirulina. Make sure to check it out. The best spirulina is hands down wild spirulina. This is if you can get your hands on it. The first place where spirulina grew naturally is Lake Shanghai in China. Unfortunately, the place has closed down its spirulina harvesting because it was endangering its ecosystem. So it leaves us with only 2 other places. Lake Texcoco in Mexico. This place is pretty much active. And Lake Chad in South Africa. I personally didn't have any luck finding where I can buy these in the US. This leaves us with the rest spirulina on the market, probably like 99% being men cultivated. And here's what you have to look for while shopping for man-made spirulina. Number 1, the company and the farm that grows it. I personally would go with the USA-based farms. There are lots of them in California, in Hawaii. Look at the company's reputation, its values, growing practices, and claims. You want it to be pesticides-free and organic. Today we're making a sweet smoothie for your gut, and it calls for these 6 ingredients. Oh, well, there's actually 7. I forgot about water. We have sweet cherries, wild blueberries. It has to be wild. You can buy them frozen. regular blueberries or not even real blueberries, mango, banana, spirulina, and chia. Before we combine all of these in a blender, you have to do one important thing. You gotta activate chia by soaking it for at least 30 minutes in water. While bacteria in your gut loves every single ingredient in this recipe, what makes the most profound effect on your gut is spirulina. Spirulina is a seaweed that is considered to be a superfood for one single reason. It is a one-stop shop for all building materials your body needs. Let's add spirulina now and watch how the color is gonna change. Breakfast is ready. Let's give it a taste. I got champagne glasses. This is our morning mimosa. Much healthier than mimosa. Cheers. So good. I can feel every cell of my body thanking me for it.